Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and wait. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was saying that now I have the hyper sniper. Yeah, look at this man. Now I have hyper sniper. This is my favorite skin all the time. And ooh, oh my god. I'm not, but not. This is my favorite skin. And let's continue. And 6-7, 6-7, 6-7. Now I have hyper sniper. Brother, I am so excited. First time using my hyper sniper. Man. Oh my god. Guys, wait a minute. Okay. Yeah, hyper sniper. Yes. But no. Where is he? No. If he is teabagging, I will smash this pig. Oh. Ah, no. Oh my god. Wait a minute. Let's. Yeah, walk on. Wait a little bit more. Oh my god. This sound effect is so good. Why it is looking so good. What's that? Total sample is too value, so I will not. What the? No. Yeah. I will randomize game the man little crooked. If he is teabagging, yeah. Let's randomize game. Yeah. And now I have damaged 6, but this has 50 mistakes. And I forgot to tell you guys that my highest mistake is 24 only. Man, you guys are saying that this mistakes only. Yeah, I can made it further. Yeah, come here. I will just send you request. I just leave a request. Again. Another. 3 and he left. Oh, he. Hang on. And. Okay. Sniper. He says sniper only. Yeah. Please hyper sniper. Oh, normal sniper. I will play as a noob. No hyper sniper, please, and no hyper sniper. And now I want the event horizon. That's the second with the skin, and we will scroll with them. Brother, come here. Yeah, come here. Brother, one hyper sniper, and this will be very, very good. Brother, please. Yes. Please, hyper sniper, please. No, he will see that now. He left it. So he won't. And guys, tell in the comments that which skin do you like? Kraken sniper, or hyper sniper, or Event Horizon? Which one do you like? And a keeper. And what's this skin called? No. What are this almost scare me. I'm glorious. Yeah. Look very good. Now I have two skins of the sniper and we will rest. We will come back. This is 87. Playing as a noob.
Finish it.
Yeah. Yeah. Say that weapon that gives 150 damage. First is the sniper, second is the knife, and third, I don't know. No. I'm losing to the loop. I will not. No. No, no, no. Let's do this. This is now. This is our chance. No. We just lose. And we lose it. If we I didn't know. What the? We have 141 Robux? Let's buy skin case 3. Let's do it. Okay, now we got one skin case 3. And what do we got? Balisong. What? My luck is too good. My luck is so good. I will do normal. What the? Yeah. One skin case 1. I think we cannot get them now. Coffee Malta. Thank you for the skin, Robux. One skin gets us up. Let's see which channel. I forgot. Which channel? Which channel? Which channel? Coming shopping right here. Oh man, what do I spend all Robux in my skin case? Whoa. Sorry. Don't have enough money. Bro, sorry, don't have enough money. Let's dance, brother. Let's dance. I don't know. Yeah, I know that. I will post my video and I will say you are in the video. Let's 1v2. Let's 1v2. Let's 1v2. Oh, you know, if we win, oh, sick. Hyper Sniper, Baboon Saw, he makes coffee. I see. Yes, brother, Oh, brother! He's too pro. Brother, where's my knife kit? Brother, let's do 1v3. We got. Oh shit, what am I losing? Oh shit, I don't have enough money. No. Water. Bob, I want you to give, but I don't have enough money. What's his name? Wait, I will get. What's his name? The skull launcher. I will give him. Brother, where's his username? Skull launcher. Okay. Answer gifting. Yeah, this one. I will give him one skin case. Oh shit! Not enough Robux. I will give you next time, brother. I'm not, brother. Shit. I will give you next time, but don't have Robux. Don't have Robux. Brother, how many friends? Not. Don't have Robux. Only 43. Cost 249. It's got 249. Okay. I will cry. Brother, I will cry. I'm controlling myself. Oh my god. 1v1? Do you want to 1v1? Yeah. I will give you 1v1. I will 1v1 you. Yeah. Oh my god. I will cry there. Yeah. Please command one time command. I have two legendary screens. Go first. Oh. Huh? And no, not the flashbang, brother. Okay. Yeah, brother. Now I have balisong. Brother. Please one time command, yeah. Yeah. OMG. OMG. My fans are here in the front. No! Yeah! What is this? Okay, this is for enough, and thanks for watching. Bye. Dance. Yeah.